Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted on Facebook how to draw a yin-yang, and there's several ways to do it, but I think this would be the easiest way. And you could have it separated or touching. This is the way her picture looked, or their picture looked. So let's just draw one real quick. You need to take a circle and make it a particular, I held down the control button to get a perfect circle. We're going to make a 12-inch circle. We're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. We're going to draw a 6-inch circle, and we're going to put it in the center of the page. We're going to make a duplicate of that circle. We're going to hold down the Shift key and select both circles and hit left, L. Now we're going to take this circle, hold down the Shift key, and press right, R. Now we're going to take our circle and we're going to go right here and we're going to change this to 180. Then we're going to take, let's zoom in here. Let's take our virtual segment delete key and delete those two lines. Let's take our smart fill tool and fill that in. Let's cursor that out of the way. We do not really need this anymore. Let's put this back in the center of the page. Let's left click and make it a wire or a outline. And since these are equal, this node and this node ought to be perfect. So Control D, mirror it, and then take that node and grab it, and it should snap to that node. There's your yin yang. You can make the outline any color you want, any thickness you want. And remember, if you're going to make it different sizes, scale with object, so you can do that again. Now, if you want them separated, let's just make a duplicate of that. Cursor that O one out of the way. Let's take this shape, go up to Effects and Contour. Let's contour 1/4 of an inch to the inside. Take that shape, contour 1/4 of an inch to the inside. Select them both. Break all 4 objects apart. Grab that center line and delete it. Grab that line and delete it. Now we've got like 11.5-inch circle. Let's group them together, Control G, and move it to the center of the page. And let's redraw a 12-inch circle. And hit P on the center of the page. There is your, and you could actually make it, let's make it 12.5. And then take your Smart Fill tool. And there is your yin yang. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.